Perfect Planet is a new card kit from our friends at Hunky Dory, and they call them Designer Deco Large. Now what that means is that you can do them paper towel style. I'll show you what that means in just a second. But first I wanted to show you the idea sheet that's included in every single pack. By the way, these packages are exclusive to paperwishes.com, so you're only going to find them here. Let me show you what's inside. There are 266 foil die cuts. And as you can see, for each of the designs and each of the animals on our Perfect Planet, you're going to get this sheet that has a great big piece. You've got borders, you've got corners, you've got greetings. This will go onto your card. And then the second sheet, which is a larger one, is going to have more of the die cuts. So you pop them out and you take the largest one first, and then you put foam tape behind it and then place it on here, matching up the artwork. Then you go to the next one and do the same thing, and the next one and the next one. Now, as you might suspect, that you're going to have a lot of layers. Now, you can kind of cheat if you want to, and maybe take one of the large ones and use it by itself, and you just get more bang for your buck. I don't know how you feel about that, but I think it's perfectly fine. So in addition, on this sheet, there are more greetings, and then also an especially handmade little die cut for you. So here we go with the Midnight Wolf. So you've got the pieces to pop out, you've got the card base with more greetings. You also have a piece of adorable scoreable. So this can become your card. You can cut it apart if you like, but everything coordinates. Now that's going to be true of every single thing I'm about to show you. So we have the wolves. We also have Arctic Splendor is what this is called. So there's absolutely deer polar bears. You notice they're all foiled, as well as all the die cuts are foiled. And then the cardstock for this little guy, well, that's what it's going to look like. Again, it all matches. Penguins, of course. I'm kind of starting at the Arctic and moving on. So here we've got these. And there is the card. Now you could elect to do that on the front, maybe take a piece here and maybe use this piece on the inside of your card. I think that would make it perfect. Now we're going to go to Africa, and we've got the elephants, one of my favorite animals. And again, borders as well as greetings. There's all the areas that you can add with foam tape. And then here is the adorable scoreable. The adorable scoreables are not foiled, by the way. They are just printed, and that works perfectly. Here we have a pride of lions, or a family of lions. There we go, and there is the paper. You'll notice that the adorable scoreable sometimes has the artwork that matches the die cuts, sometimes it doesn't. It just depends. Now we've got tigers, gorgeous. And butterflies. I love that addition. I hope you can see there's butterflies around the tiger. Very, very nice. And the tiger gets a waterfall too. Now we have giraffes. So if you've got a favorite animal, it's going to be in here. And what a really nice card for others in your family. And here is our giraffe. You can tell I'm not done yet. Now here's Twilight Panther. Just beautiful, isn't it? I love the gold foiling. All of those die cuts, and then there is the adorable scoreable. As you can see, you get kind of a sunset or a sunrise. And then we have zebras, just very fun. There they are, and there is the adorable scoreable. We're not done yet. We're going to go to the oceans. So we've got dolphins playing in the surf, as well as here, and there's the adorable scoreable. And we have, here we go, and we've got more, just absolutely sending you the biggest birthday wishes. Very, very nice. There we've got, and there is the adorable scoreable. You can elect to use this elsewhere too. And then we just have an undersea garden coral and the turtles. Very fun. I've swam with turtles. Very fun. And that's our last one. So as you can see, this is very, very full. You get one combination of things for every single animal. You get ideas. It's called Perfect Planet, and it's in stock now.